All right, 4011 Reynosa, Shady Hollow, beautiful, nice, fresh. Look at that green grass. Oh my gosh. You don't see green grass like that right now. That's for sure. This house is just over 2,000 square feet. Wood floors, engineered wood floors, none of that vinyl crap. You got a stacked stone fireplace, got the mount, cables, fireplace. That's all the mount stuff wires over to here. So you come in the front door, there's an office here. This could be a bedroom, but more of an office, but it does have a closet. But because of its location and the double doors, probably more of an office. Lots of nice natural light. Got the vaulted ceiling. This would be a dining area. It's quite large though, so could be a flex space room. That could be your office, or a dining room, or a pool table. I don't know. Here's your coat closet. That's what a coat closet looks like. Here's your breakfast area, which this is also very large. So to have two dining areas is a little redundant, but like I said, that could be a flex space area. You have double doors to the outside patio. We'll go there in a minute. Refrigerator included. You have white painted cabinets, granite counters, single vessel sink. The stove oven is brand new. Nice and clean and new. You have microwave. You got lots of storage and cabinetry. Over here is your laundry room and pantry. So you got shelf. And you got pantry. I'll show you the garage. The garage is huge. So you got extra deep and wide. So you got all these shelves. There's stuff on there right now, but definitely enough room for 2 cars, and you can open your doors. Outside, let's check the outside before the rest of the house since we're right here. These are the main doors to the outside. There's another door from the master. You got the gate right there to the side yard. This house is more of a flipped type style. You got an oil stained, not stained oil, and you have an extra large patio, half covered, and then half uncovered. And then the yard wraps around. This is all gonna be cut and xeriscaped and stuff, so, but an extra big, and then it wraps around there too. And this is a door from the master bedroom, primary bedroom, which we will go to in a minute. But that's another way outside. But it's got a lot of patio, and the yard is actually pretty big. It's just not kind of a traditional type shape, but all right. Let's go check out the bedroom situation. So you got the one room right there, hallway here. Here's your linen closet. So your first bedroom is right here. So nice and light and bright. All the rooms have fans. Got the closet. This room is pretty big. I would say about 11 by 11 or so, 12 by 12. This room is about the same, about 12 by 12. And you got the double closet. And then here's your guest bathroom. You got a solar tube skylight there to give a little natural light in the center of the house. You got lots of storage cabinets. You got a single vanity, toilet, shower, nice walk-in shower. There are no bathtubs in this house. So if you're looking to bathe your little kitties or your dog, then maybe not the house for you. You got a mirror on the door. This is the primary closet. It's actually quite big. You got lots of rack space and a shoe shelf or shoe rack. This is the master bedroom. All the carpet is brand new. All the paint is new. Lots of, let's see, there you go. You got a double vanity in the master bath or primary bathroom. You got a walk-in shower. You got like a big shelf up there and then a soap shelf there. And then you got a little seat there, zero edge glass. And then you got your toilet and then a little closet up there. You can do your makeup there. Boom, makeup. Makeup. And then that's the door to the outside from the back. And this globe will be replaced. 4011 Reynosa, rent today.